Ensure all components are logged in the system immediately. We have a tight schedule for these optical lenses.
Can you verify the alignment data on the monitor?
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Aligning the module now.
Clear on the left side.
Torquing sequence initiated.
System check complete. All green on the primary sensors.
Confirmed. The safety array is fully operational.
A slight clockwise turn should center the Gaussian profile.
Confirmed. Power levels are nominal. Excellent work. The energy levels are consistent with the protocol. Noted. Initiating shutdown sequence now.
All right, bring it back slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Got it. Setting it down now. Perfect. Looks secure. Everything looks secure. Just need your signature here for the 2 laser units. Perfect. Thank you. We appreciate the careful handling.
Everything looks good on the readout. Perfect. Calibration is complete. We are ready for the first client.